So when you have the Google extension tool of Alura and you search up a keyword or a key phrase or product that you're trying to figure out if you are able to sell that, Alura brings up several different items for you to figure out in light of the data if it's a good product is to sell. It shares with you the products that's on the left hand side. It shares with you the amount of favorites that product has. It shares with you the amount of overall sales, the monthly sales, and the overall revenue of that product, and different helpful data tips that can help you actually sell products like this online. And so one of the things I like about using Alura is that it shows me all that real-time data as I'm on Etsy itself. And as I'm able to see different type of products and different type of niches, I'm able to identify from highest to lowest, from greatest to least, what products have the highest engagement, what products has the highest numbers in regards to total sales, but what products are also selling currently. This is probably one of the most essential tools for me when I'm trying to identify products that are selling right now. I want to see things that are not seasonal, but things that are selling right now. And other tools just don't give you that particular data. And one thing I like about Alura is using that key piece of finding out what has been sold in the month. And so I want to share with you how to do that right now. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jay. On this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And from time to time, I teach you about my tips and my strategies and different tools that I use to help me promote my products and get more sales online with Etsy. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. And at any time in today's video, you're getting value or encouragement, let me know by leaving a like on today's video. And everything I'm talking about today will be linked up in my description box below. Now let's jump into the video. So one of the things I talked about in my recent video of my top 10 tips if you are new to selling digital products online is about the importance of doing product research first. And what I would tell anybody who's new to selling products online is that before you even create a product, you got to make sure you prove that there is a market for that product. And this is what I call product research or market research in regards to selling products on Etsy. Now, it's very easy for people to get excited about selling things online and rush over to Canva and try to create a journal or try to create a digital invite, and they post it up or hundreds of items up on Etsy and not get one sale. And it's all because you have to make sure you are creating a product people actually want, right? Before you create, you want to spend time doing research. And I taught you in my other videos of how you can actually do product research manually. But the reason why we have this channel, right, is to teach you how to do these things in a quick, systematic way that you are able to list up products as quickly as possible in order to get your first couple of sales online. And the main tool that I can refer to you is Alura. Now, I taught you in my other videos how I use this, and I taught you how I do this personally live as I did my Etsy reviews and critiques of other people's shops. But one of the things that I really love about Alura is that it gives you real-time data. And so one of the things I look for in regards to trying to figure out what products are selling on Etsy is to make sure that I'm doing product research first, and I'm actually finding products that are high in engagement and also proven to get sales in that 30 months or in that 30 days. And so the way I do that is I go and download Alura and I use the extension tool that they have in Google. So now we're going to jump in and I'm going to share with you exactly how I use Alura to find products that are selling right now. So this is the Etsy platform that we're all used to. And I just went up here and I searched up in the search bar, digital budget planner. So if you're trying to figure out, is this niche popular? Is this product in demand? Go ahead and hit the search bar and type in whatever search phrase you're looking for or whatever product and click on it. And as I taught you guys in my other videos, the first thing you want to do is make sure that this is a popular item. Again, we find bestsellers on this page, and indeed we do for this particular product. But where the power of Alura comes in is that I'm going to go up to my top portion here and use this Alura extension tool. And what it will do is that it will gather all of the listings in that digital budget planner first page, and it will show me all of that data that I can use to better identify if this is a product worth selling. Again, I want to make sure that I prove the product in the market before I spend a whole bunch of time in Canva creating something that will not sell, right? I want to make sure that I prove the market with the power of this Alura extension tool. And as you can see, I'm only doing the first page right now, but I can go on to the second page, third, fourth, fifth, as many pages as I would like. But what Alura is doing now is that it's gathering all the data from every single listing on this product page. And one thing that I like about this tool, again, is that it gives you the product name, the shop name here, the average price of the products, right? The number of favorites it has, the total sales, the monthly sales, and the monthly revenue. And this number up top gives me just the overall score if the product is in high demand or in low competition. And being that it is a 6, it is a good product to market. But what I want to spend some time showing you now is two things I do. When I find a product I want to spend time creating, I look at the amount of favorites a item has and the monthly sales. Now, the reason why I spend time looking at the amount of favorites is because those favorites lets me know the engagement. Sometimes people favorite an item to go back and look at it in the future, but some people on Etsy like a particular product. They favorite a particular product or a shop because they want to buy from it, right? They want to buy from it. And so I want to see what products has high favorites. And then I want to see, my second one here is the monthly sales. Now you might be saying, Jay, why don't you look at the total sales? And the reason why I don't look at the total sales is because sometimes a product can be seasonal. And sometimes that product can get 100 sales, 600 sales in a particular month. But I want to see if that product is evergreen, if that product is selling right now. And that's why I spend time looking at the monthly sales, because this is the estimated number of sales for this listing in the past 30 days. And this is where I believe this Alura tool really have one up on all the other tools that's out there, because it shares with you the amount of sales each listings have in the past 30 days. And so I can simply hit this little button here, and this can filter from highest to lowest, from greatest to least with the favorites. But I also want to do the same thing here in regards to the sales. So the first thing I want to do is see how many favorites an item has. And if an item has over 1,000 favorites, then I know this is a good product to target. This is a good product to create on my own. I want to create a product that is proven in the market. And the higher the favorites, right, the more engagement that person has with that product, and therefore is proven in the sales. So again, I want to see if it has high engagement, high favorites, and I can filter that from highest to lowest. And I can go in here and see, okay, what products are actually having high engagement? What products are people favoriting? I can grab the title. I can look and see what tags they're using. I can see how many sales they have for this overall store. But again, this will let me know what people like, what people are engaging on the platform. What I also do is I go and filter from highest to lowest the number of sales. And again, the reason why I do this is because, yes, I want to prove that people are enjoying the product, but I also want to make sure that this product is selling right now. Again, I want to make sure that this product is selling right now. And the way I do that is by going to the monthly sales and see how many sales on average this product has made over the last 30 days. I want to make sure that I'm targeting products that has 20 or more sales every single month. And as you can see, this particular product has 97 sales in the past 30 days with one digital product. And their overall revenue for that product is $1,000. This is what I mean by you can easily make $100 a day based upon what products you sell on Etsy. So again, this is how I do my product research, right? I filter all of the products I want to sell, all the niches I want to get into, all of the things that I'm passionate about. I run data before I create the product. And again, I'm just searching up the first page. I can go here and search up multiple pages. It's only filtering the first page. I can go down here and I can go to the second page, and what Alura will do, that extension tool, will gather all this data on the second page and compile that with what we just found on the first page. And again, this is a great way to go through systematically all of the listings that's in your particular niche. And here's the key here. You want to identify those products that are proven to have high engagement and are proven to have monthly sales, current sales today. And when you are able to identify the style and the type of product people want, then you're able to take that data back to your computer, back to Canva, and then create something that is proven to sell. And now you have to strategically put that product in front of the right people. So again, I'm going to go here and favorite the items from highest to lowest. Same thing with the monthly sales, right? From highest to lowest. And I want to gather maybe the top 10 or the top 20 from this list. I want to see if there are any trends. I want to see if there's any keywords or tags they're using, and I can apply those same things to my shop. Again, I'm not talking about a copy for a copy, because nobody gonna buy a copy from a copy. But what I can do is go into this listing and see, how can I make this more valuable? How can I add more features to this? What can I add that may be missing from the market that the customer might want also? So again, you want to spend some time doing data research, right? Product research. And you want to go back and to figure out what people really want, right? What digital planners people are looking for. Which ones are they intrigued with? What are the products that people are not liking, right? I can go all the way down and see, well, what item is getting less than 100 sales? What items are getting less than 100 favorites? These are type of things I want to stay away from. I don't want to model these type of products, because these type of products are not getting sales. I want to model the products that are proven in the market. And once you're able to figure out what people are intrigued with, what people like, what people are buying, then I have a better understanding of that audience, where then I can be able to create multiple products just like the ones I'm sharing with you now. And then you are able to make daily sales just like these folks here, where you are able to make $1,000 a month for one digital product. Again, here's the power of using Alura and finding out by data, right? By proof, by proving the market, what things are selling. So again, if you guys want to check out Alura, then check out my link in my description box below. Alura was so kind to give my audience 30% off. And so check out my 30% code in my description if you want to get your hands on using this tool. So that's the end of today's video, my friends. That was in a way helpful or encouraging. Let me know by leaving a like on today's video. If you want to see more content like this, I release new videos every single week teaching you how to create and sell your own digital products online. So as always, my friends, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.